Hello my beautiful subscriber, my friends and my lovely fans. A delight welcome to my amazing channel and your favorite channel, Fashion Addiction. Friends, this is your host Asad Shah. How are you all? Hope you are fine. May God bless you with more happiness every day. My dear friends, this is our YouTube channel and we hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. Friends, we are showing you the variety of dressing styles and updated fashion. And today, with a new amazing video of stunning and gorgeous designs of vintage flapper dresses for lovely women. My dear friends, these flapper dresses, designs and looks are very pretty and gorgeous as well. And friends, these dresses are picked very carefully with a vision that every article suits you in every way possible. So my dear viewers, a humble request to all of my lovely friends, please watch the full video of these designs and also press the bell icon so you never miss any update from my channel Fashion Addiction. Or friends, if you like my video, then surely notification bell will definitely help you daily to get my fashion updates as soon as I publish them. My dear friends, in this video you will see the brilliant variety of vintage flapper dresses, and these are selected only for you to maintain an impressive fashion sense of you. So my dear friends, we have a huge variety of anything which is related to your fashion. And if you have an impressive sense of fashion, we can definitely learn something from you. Viewers, take a look at this video and stay updated to my amazing channel Fashion Addiction, because this channel provides you latest fashion news and lifestyle events in your country. And you will daily find a couple of videos about all type of fashion and all type of dresses designs. So my dear friends, this is our today's video. We hope you must admire our work for you and kindly tell us about your opinion and great advices in the comments. Now friends, show your love by like, share and subscribe our channel, and you can make sure you press the bell icon so you never miss any update from my channel Fashion Addiction. And friends, if you don't like any my video, just tell me in the comment section, so next time you will only see your favorite choice articles. My dear friends, you can see latest dresses, baby dresses, handbags, shoes and everything that is related to current fashion. You can also watch every new fashion which is trending. So friends and viewers, thank you so very much for watching my whole video. I hope you are enjoying my video. Take a good care of yourself. Remember me in your prayers. Keep smiling. Love you all guys.